Pronunciation of difficult words from the story The Dog of Tithwal. Jamadar Harnam Singh, also known as Jamadar Sahib, Subedar Himmat Khan, Banta Singh, Bashir, also known as Bashire, Sayyid Waris, known as Waris Shah, Harnam Kaur, Ganda Singh, Junjun, Shunshun, Heer, Ranja, Yogi, Gurmukhi, Fakir, Pakistani, Punjabi, India Jindabad, Long Live India, Cracker, Rifle, Shouted, Shun, Platoon, Around, Binoculars, Through, Bullet, Wag, Spangled, Bushes, Wagged, Brave, Twirl, Treachery, Crane, Exchanged, Mustache, Accept, Crow, Hawk, Buffalo, Scare, Wagging, Wireless, Walk, Laughed, Kickback, Snatched, Phoned, Possessions, Departed, Breakfast, Cigarettes, Undid, Entrenched, Dividing, Adversaries, Abused, Somewhat, Establish, Chatted, Tow, Martyred, Hurling, Humming, Scream, Bitch, Scattered, Instructions, Replied, Sighed, Barking, Barges, Startled, Makeshift, Approvingly, Lied, Idiot, Pleasant, Shrubbery, Sniffed, Ashes, Philosophically, Puzzled, Disappearance, Preparing, Zigzagged, Aggrieved, Excited, Enjoying, Dutifully, Floated, Munch, However, Lament, Surveyed, Barked, Lazily, Decipher, Asleep, Barrel, Impregnable, Unpleasant, Rustle, Moments, Stony, Abrupt, Became, Sadness, Hiding, Corporal, Mean, Sackcloth, Scent, Ritually, Bored, Stepped, Mournful, Disjointed, Cardboard, Drag, Grabbed, Cones, Ventured, Invisible, Terror, Echoing, Comes, Seriously, Yawning, Mood, Indecisive, Leapt, Might, Thankfully, Calmed, Melancholy, Shattered, Boisterously, Buzzed, Savoring, Pacifies, Look Out, Investigate, Filthy, Oblivious, Mongrel, Materialized, Muttered, Hum, Threaded, Camouflaged, Mortars, Bugger, Yelped, Everybody, Refugee, Tow, Furiously, Bloom, Peering, Pebble, Flapping, Twinkling, Contented, Petted, Jarring, Chill, Mighty, Valleys, Scared. Thank you.